Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an Oppo Find X2 Pro that needs... Oh wait, David is already starting. So apparently there's no damage on the screen and the back glass, and also the chassis doesn't have any damage as well. So we're just gonna open this and replace the camera system on this Oppo Find X2 Pro. And by opening the back cover, we get access to the internal components. So as you can see, the camera system is already accessible. And of course, the adhesives on the X2 Pro from Oppo is kind of aggressive. This is very thick adhesive. You just have to slice it open and then separate it, and then we're good to go. We're gonna remove the screws that are holding on to the motherboard shroud. So it's also held on by the adhesives, the residual adhesives. And this is the replacement camera. We're just gonna uninstall these connectors and then slowly remove the motherboard shroud, and then we're left with a very exposed camera, and then we're just gonna swap them out. So when we say that we will replace the camera, this includes the lens, these two circles right here, and of course the sensor behind those glass. So we are gonna put them back together. So unlike our screen replacement or battery replacement, this is kind of straightforward because the camera system is already exposed one layer below the motherboard shroud. And here we are also gonna make sure that the camera system doesn't really get messed up again in the future. So we're gonna clean the cover, the external cover, and replace the adhesives so that it will not come off or let moisture in or some particles into the camera. So if you have this kind of problem too, just head on to Sydney CBD Repair Center and we'll do this specialized service for you. This is kind of a niche repair, so if you're interested, leave us a message, like and subscribe, and of course, catch you next time. Cheers!